there in this video I will explain you how you can create a new project in this TeamCity server. So once you log into the TeamCity, you will find this administration link. Just click on that, and then from there you can create a new project. So on the left hand side you will find this projects link, and here you can create a project by clicking on these buttons. So there are two ways in which you can create project in TeamCity. First is manually and another is using URL. So I'm gonna show you how you can create a project manually. So for that, just click on this button, create project, and then you have to give the name of the projects, say sample project, and give the description if you want. Then click on create button, and then the project is ready. And in the TeamCity, each project can have multiple build configurations, so you can create a build configuration by clicking on this button, create a build configuration. And before that, you can attach the VCS routes, that is version control URLs, to your project. So to create the VCS route, just click on this button, and you can select any of the VCS systems that is available there, like Git, CVS, ClearVS, whatever system you're using. So I'm gonna choose Git, and then you have to put the repository URL over here. So I've got this many repositories, and I'm gonna create one project. So let's say, for example, for this project I want to create a VCS route in TeamCity. For that, just copy this HTTPS URL of the project and then come back to the TeamCity server. Here I put the root name, say sample VCS route, and that URL you have to put it over here, and then you have to click on create test connection. So connection is successful, and then if you are doing it for the first time, it might ask you for the user ID and password for that particular repository, and once you do that, you click on create. So VCS route is created, as you can see it is over here. So this particular setting is done. Now again click on the general settings, and then from here you can create a build configuration. So to create a build configuration, click on that button and then type the name of the build configuration, say tests or sanity tests, and then put the description, click on create button, and once you hit create button, it will create a sample build configuration for you. From here you can select the VCS route, because since we have attached this VCS route to the project, you can access it from over here, and then click on attach. Once you do that, TeamCity will auto detect the steps, build steps for your build configuration based upon what kind of project it is there. So as you can see, TeamCity has detected that it's a Maven project, and it has also detected some goals over there, so you can use clean test goal. So I'm gonna use this particular build step because that's what I want to do. And if you want to edit this build step, just click on this edit button, and from here you can give the goal, Maven goal. Since this is a Maven project, you have to give the Maven goal, clean test or clean install, whatever you want, you can give that goal. So this is the runner type. So this runner type depends on what kind of project you are developing. So for the Maven projects, you have runner type as Maven. For other projects like say .NET, you can have inspections.NET or duplicate finder.NET. Different types of runners are there, so you can use any of them and give the, for each runner type there are different settings based upon what type of runner it is. And once you do that, save that, and here the sample configuration, build configuration is ready. You can run this build manually by clicking on this run button, or you can also set up the triggers for this particular build using this triggers link. And there are different types of triggers like schedule trigger, VCS trigger, finish build trigger, etc. Normally people use VCS trigger or schedule trigger, which runs the tests at a particular time. So once the build configuration is done, what you can do is go to the project, and then here you can select all the projects that you set up. So as you can see, sample one, this project I just set up right now, which is shown on the project dashboard page. And from here, as you can see, this sanity tests that build configuration that we had created. And to run that build configuration, you can click on this run button over there, just in front, next to that particular sanity tests build. So it is saying that no compatible agents are there. So I'm gonna start one this build agent, and once the build agent is started, that build will be put it in the queue, and then it will be picked up by that build agent for the execution purpose. Right now, as you can see, agents is 0, and after I start the build agent, it takes a while to start that agent, and then it will appear 1 over here in the agents section. So let us wait a while. So from here, as you can see, this project has got this particular build. So this project has got just one build, but this project has got a lot of builds. If you just expand that, as you can see, this project has got 4 builds in total, and this project has got 2 builds. So similarly, our just recently created build has got one recently created project, sample 1 project, has got 1 build called sanity tests, and we have just started the run. And since there is no agent, this builds has been added into the build queue, so which you can access from over here. And as you can see, we have got 2 particular these things builds waiting in the queue. I'm gonna remove this because I'm not interested to run that one. And sample 1 sanity tests build is gonna run because the agent is now up and running. So if you click on this one, and here you can see that Maven project is already started, which we can stop it if you want. And after this, our build is gonna execute. So as you can see, sanity test build is started running, and here you can view the logs of that particular build from the build log tab. So as you can see, this started running. It will check out the repository from the GitHub, and then start building the project and run the tests as well from that project. So that's how you can set up a simple project in TeamCity. If you like this video, hit like button. Thank you.